Step 28, enter another citation. Use the steps you have already learned to enter a new citation using the source information shown in the table below. So just like earlier we created the to and the citation, we are going to make another one here for Chamberlain. After the word volume, you have that space, and then make sure your insertion point's there. We come over from home over to references, and we are going to insert a citation. Now this one's a brand new one, so we're not going to use one of the two that we've already built. Instead, we're going to add a new source, not a new placeholder like we did with the Gupta, but add a new source. First thing here is we're going to change the source type from a book to a website. You'll have to scroll down here. And then author, make sure you do not make a typo on these. You can't just copy and paste these ones. Make sure you got the capital letters, make sure you got the commas in the right place, the spaces, and then you can always use tab to toggle forward. Name of web page, understanding how with capital H, volume with capital V, levels with a capital L, levels, affect, not effect, but affect, herring. So everything in there has a capital letter on each one of those. We're going to skip the year, the month, the day, and go down to year accessed, 2017. We're going to go September. Make sure you get the T in there. Date accessed, 16. And this is what kind of medium? Was it a print article or something like that? In this case, it was on the web. And now part B down here, press the Show All Bibliographies Fields button in the bottom left. So right here, Show All Bibliography Fields. And we now want to add in production company, box type course technology. So in the production company right here, we're going to, in that box, we're going to add course, whoops, if I can spell, technology. Again, make sure you check your capitalization, check your spelling. That's really important. And then we can finally press OK. And at this point, we now have our citation. We want to make sure we add the period after Chamberlain. Notice citations come before the periods versus earlier in what we were working on. Like here, there's another citation before the period, citation before the period. However, that footnote goes after the period. Little details like that are the types of things you'll want to remember to check on in the future. You might not have to remember exactly how it is, but you might want to remember that you want to check and reference that. Make sure you got that accurate.